So one of my not so famous videos apparently is the changing of the rear windshield wiper on the Ford Flex, and this is a 2014 Ford Flex SE non-EcoBoost. So this one I got is a Rain-X Expert Fit R12E rear windshield wiper. That's the part number. Number one complaint was, well, you didn't show how you took the windshield wiper off. You only showed the installation. Well, this is how it is. It's on there. All right. It has a little tiny tab in there that's holding it in. Literally, just pop it off. That's it. We'll put it back on. The old one snaps on. Push up against the arm, pops off. There. For all the whiny people. Oh my God, you didn't show how you took it off. There, I showed how you took it off. Snap a new one on. Bam, done. There you go. New windshield wiper. Yes, it's a little bit loose, but who cares?